This project is all about reducing the different stressors that staff, students, and other stakeholders have at the university during the very busy May exam season.
Here at King's College we have an online platform called King's Move. This enables our community to sync fitness trackers and earn points for the activity they do. These points then can be exchanged for rewards on that marketplace. The aim of this study is to try and utilise this data and the platform to further motivate those behaviours, whether it's sustaining physical activity for longer or changing overall behaviours of our population.
So the first part of the study looks at the move data, the physical activity data, and looks at how many points people earn, as well as how many redemption behaviours are there.
The second methodology that we used was to invite our stakeholders in and run a number of focus groups. These were targeted at different populations on the platform: staff, students, new users and older users, and to explicitly ascertain their feelings on the platform, the concepts of the rewards, the trackers, and their motivations for using the platform. The third methodology will be a research experiment testing different types of marketing messages to our users and the potential outcome of their activity and reward redemptions.
The results from our first study show that people actually have more motivation to exercise and to increase their physical activity when they redeem for higher value rewards, such as hoodies or t-shirts, as opposed to coffees or other hot drinks.
These findings have allowed us to reach out to other higher education institutions, particularly around sport and physical activity. This has allowed us to further deploy research and investment to power digital platforms like King's Move across other universities throughout the country.
So the implications of this study immediately will change what King's Move is doing. It'll change the nature of the program in terms of the rewards and the different kinds of messaging that are going out to motivate the members of the program, as well as it'll have broader impacts on how people design gamified systems in terms of the different kinds of rewards that are on offer and the different kinds of messaging that will enable them to change how they operate.
I hope this research will probably set a good benchmark, a foundation for further studies and tests. As technology increases across the university space, particularly with engaging with students in sport and activity, we can really come with a methodology, a theory that will allow us to improve the well-being not just of those in our university, wider universities, and even in the workplace.
I really hope that this research enables us to develop a network of health gamification researchers, where we can share the insights from not just this project, but other interesting projects and design gamified systems to change individual behavior in great ways.
The country is plagued obviously with obesity and sedentary problems, and if we can use this research to gamify physical activity, explicitly reward people for the activity that they do, we can hopefully increase well-being and decrease health risks later on in life.